Hey guys, today I'm working with a roper, which is made by Whirlpool, washer and electric dryer, and right now got it filled up. Pretty heavy jeans and towel load. You can see it's agitating, getting everything nice and sudsy and clean. And I've got going on just the normal cycle, and we're gonna let it move through its cycle, and I'm gonna show you as if you were standing here yourself testing it out, that everything works perfect. The washer gets a 28-point inspection, the dryer gets a 22-point inspection. Everything electrical, mechanical, it all gets checked. Everything has to work perfectly before it leaves my care or gets listed up for sale. So we'll let it move through the cycle and we'll come back and check on it as we go. Alright guys, we are moving out of the wash cycle into the drain cycle. You can hear it draining that water out. Nice and fast. We're going to let it fill up and move through the rinse cycle, and then we'll come back for the final spin so you can see and hear that it's nice and smooth and everything works great. Alright guys, we're back on the final spin cycle. It is spinning at full speed spin, so I'm going to lift the lid up and show you that it's spinning nice and fast. Lid switch will kick in and shut it down, but that way you know it is spinning nice and fast and you can see everything smooth. So we'll let that finish up. We'll move those clothes over to the dryer and show you that the dryer works properly. Alright guys, I've got those clothes moved over to the Whirlpool electric dryer. Got it running. Go ahead and open this up, show you the door switch works. Got those clothes piled up in here. Nice heavy load. Time dry, high heat, hit go. You can see in here that runs smooth, sounds great. I'm going to show you that it is in fact heating like it's supposed to be. So my temperature gun here, right in between those two red dots, is where it takes its surface temperature measurement. Go ahead and open this up, shoot it right inside the heating element tube here. You can see plenty of heat inside that tube. Comes out and heats the inside of the dryer anywhere from 95 to 195. And that just depends on what you have your heat setting at, because you have a few options here. You can do a real light heat or air fluff for your delicates. You can do automatic, or you can just do straight up time dry. And this is great, high heat time dry for towels, jeans, that kind of thing. Otherwise you have options for more delicate pieces of clothing. That's going to be it for this video. I appreciate you taking the time to watch it. Now you know everything works great. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Thanks and have a great day.